What's up guys, Mike with Off-Road Family Adventures out here in Jasper, Georgia for the Jeep Fest. We do this every year. This year I'm out here actually showing off the 3D mount for the 360 camera, showing its validity, and so take care of all those doubters that said this wouldn't handle on trails. And I'm from Florida, so we do flat trails. Guys, you're not gonna put that through as much punishment as we put it through up here. So take a look at these videos, enjoy it. It's a blast up here. A lot of different trails. You'll see them all throughout this video, and these mounts are available and it's held up. All right guys, that's gonna wrap it up for this video. No question, this mount is tough. Anything you're gonna handle, it's good, especially matched with the selfie stick here. Perfect height. Just spent about $30 on rinse only to make the Jeep just dirty. So once I get back to Florida, clean it up proper. But guys, thanks for watching. I know it's a long video. Talk to you next time.